Hello friends, welcome back to the Method Trading. So friends, we will discuss today the market and we will also try to look market for the tomorrow as usually we do in the everyday video. So friends, if we look at the today market, it is sharp rejections from all-time high, we can see that, and this is also a move that's give us so many messages. The first message that will market resist here, and if it is, then how much? It is the big question, friends. I personally think that because whenever I speak on this topic regarding this market, I most of the time follow this trend rather than people theory and thought. I don't believe in that much things. I am feeling looking at this market that it looks really strong and rejection is very sharp. Friends, if you see the chart here, if you look the chart, this is the all-time high we have, and from the all-time high what we have seen that sellers activated here, and this activated so strong that the market went almost 800 point in 1 hour, right? So whenever we hit this market hit this strong resistance, whenever market hit this, there is a high possibility that the seller will activate at this point, because if you look at this the history of chart, friend, that's indicate that okay, the sellers work hard at this top of the level. Friends, one things I would like to say here that is very much important. Many people are saying many things on these YouTube channels and through others social media platform, but we need to think different. Those who are making money in the market, I have observed this, those who are successful people in the market, they think slightly different than the what the crowd thinks, what the crowd say, right? So we need to understand the fundamental of market, how it's behaving and what is the steps we can follow in this, right? So do not listen much people, simply follow this chart, right? So what chart shows, this area is a very good important area, very important area, that is 41,500 to 41,100, right? If you see market have work here more than enough, right? If the market is not respecting this tomorrow, if the market is not respecting this level and it's going down, of course this will be the second level, but it will be a sign of bearish market. But if market respecting this area and working in this area, or trying to take this as a support and working above this level, that is 41,500, this will be a this will be a sign of the bullish market in this coming days. So mark this level, this is a very important, right? Follows this level and trade accordingly. This nothing to worry about it. If market we will go down from here, we can see here this will be a really very good movement, and the next target will be almost 40,500 approx, because there is a no resistance. Of course here we can see this, but this is the aggregate, it will hit this level and then come and close, closing will give here. This is also possible in the lower side, but another view is that market have worked in this particular zone and will not easily give up this area, right? Because if you will see this, if you will see the fundamental interpretations of chart, the seller started selling market here, right? After that, the buyers hold market here. Buyers do not let the sellers market down at this position. At ending candle, of course, it's a bit negative, but yes, we can observe this. The second thing is that tomorrow is Friday, and on a Friday, uh, the safe hands try to exit the market. The newcomers are many. This is the simple psychology. Why to wait and take 2 days of risk? What will happen in this world? Nobody knows. So the bit capital flow affected on this, especially weekend days like Friday. So this may help the sellers, right? Because when this the buyer will start booking their profit or withdrawing their capital from the market, it will help bid sellers to bring market down more. So this is the one negative things which I look, because tomorrow is a Friday, and most of the time on Friday, especially of this second session of the market after the 12 o'clock, the selling started and selling sharpen after the 2 o'clock, right? So this we need to keep in mind. Other things, I think stats say it's self everything's, nothing to worry. If you even if you see friends the Nifty chart here, if you see Nifty chart here, that's how beautifully Nifty saying, right? See, the Nifty chart is slightly different than the what the bank Nifty it is, right? Nifty tested one time, second time, and today third time, right? It's hit third three times. After, if you see friend observe this chart, they hit the highest level and there was a sharp rejection of the market, right? Hit the highest level, again rejection from this, hit the highest level, again rejection, and the finally working in this. So looking at the Nifty chart, I'm not, I'm not very happy with what Nifty is saying, Nifty chart showing us, because there is a sharp rejection in this trends. If you'll see friends, one time, it's a second time, and this is third time, three times, and it's not a normal rejection, like, right? It's a market means whenever the Nifty touch this point, sellers get activated, this point and this point. So it shows that bit Nifty looks bit weaker to me than the bank Nifty. And I also think that the Nifty, what I can Nifty do not looks stronger, right? To me. And the second things, friend, if you see here, this zone like bank Nifty will see, Nifty have also work in this particular zone, right? So this is the very important level. Again, this closing level is at the lower side. This is negative things. So for the Nifty tomorrow, what we need to do, we'll wait for this. If the Nifty is going above 17,940, then we'll go for this bullish, and of course target will be 1800, 18,100. And the downside, of course, this is the candle we have, we'll go for this. Possibly we can hit also this if the negative sell up start. So these are the level for tomorrow. Hope you understand. If you're thinking it's contributing something, please subscribe, shares, and help this view and methods of trading. Thank you so much.